dumpster rental service in Belle Vernon, Pennsylvania. Cleaning up after a big project doesn't have to be complicated. At All-Green Services LLC, we make it simple with our dependable dumpster rental service in Belle Vernon, Pennsylvania. We understand how quickly debris can pile up during renovations, cleanouts, and construction jobs. Our team is here to help you handle waste removal efficiently and affordably. We offer various dumpster sizes to suit any job. Whether you're a homeowner doing a weekend cleanout or a contractor managing a large site, we have the right dumpster for your needs. You can count on timely delivery and on-schedule pickups with every rental. We place each dumpster with care, continually protecting your property and respecting your space. No matter how large or small your project is, we've got a solution that fits. Our rental process is straightforward, and we're happy to walk you through the options. You'll never find hidden fees or confusing terms, just honest, reliable service. We take pride in helping keep Belle Vernon clean and organized, one project at a time. Eco-friendly disposal and recycling are part of how we do business. Locals trust our team because we're consistent, professional, and easy to work with. We believe you shouldn't worry about waste while focusing on your project. Call All-Green Services LLC today at 724-550-6222 and see why Belle Vernon counts on us.